What's up, you guys? Hello. How you doing? I hope you all are doing great, and I hope you are keeping safe, wearing your masks, and just trying to beat everything. So today, I okay. Let me start. Hi guys, hello, karibu ama karibu tena to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hola, mi amo Julie, and welcome to the Squad of Positive Energy. So today we are going to check out my room because I do not know why, and I just feel like it. I was supposed to do a DIY. I asked my followers on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, kindly do so. I asked them if I should do a cucumber try on haul or just a thrift on haul or a DIY video, and y'all said it. Y'all said a DIY, but I cannot do a DIY right now because my thumb, y'all know I cut my thumb and it is not fully healed. I thought it healed, but yesterday I did some braids. I was braiding a friend, then shit happened. So I'm just going to do a room tour because I said I will do, and I will give you all a detailed room tour with explanation of how my room is because I am so fucking obsessed with it. Before I get out of here in December, schools are resuming in September, and I will miss this home. Yes, this is my school bedroom, and yeah, so I will just give you a detailed explanation of how it looks like. And if you haven't subscribed, what you waiting for? Boy, girl, you're too handsome and beautiful to not be subscribed to this channel, and kindly watch this video till the end. Just comment down below what you think of everything that I'll be doing today. And yeah, let me stop talking too much because I got a big mouth at times. And yeah, let us just go on with the video. First of all, I will start with my background. This is the focal point of this room, and yeah, vamos. So guys, when you enter my room, this is the first part of the view you see. I will not repeat myself, so yeah, so let us start here. These are my throw pillows, my decorative pillows, and these pillows I made them myself. Okay, the pillows, the stuffing and everything I stole from home. My dad is watching this video, and yeah, dad, I stole them from home. And these pillowcases, I just bought the materials from Gikomba. They were 20 shillings. This material was 20, and yeah, it was material enough to fit 2 pillowcases and this one. So this I took to my fundi. There's a fundi in Nairobi. I just took to her, told her the measurements, and nikamwambia anishone mbili, and the printing I did them myself, as you can see. And this certain pillowcases I made them myself, and I am fucking proud of everything. Yeah, I made them by hand. So yeah, and yeah, also the printing I did them myself. This one says okr, and this one says Chanel. One day when I can afford a lot of money to buy my Chanel pillowcases, the original ones, I will remember this day. Okay. Y'all know what these are. If you haven't watched my video, kindly do so. The other video, my first room tour video, this is just my, you know, my wall art. I made it. I will show you guys how DIY room decor and everything. This is just my camera. It's a vintage camera. I just put it there for decoration. And when we come here, this is a bottle. Like, this is a bottle. This was a wine bottle, I think. Was it a wine bottle? Yes, I think so. And I just nilichukua kamba, I rolled at the top of it and then hang it there. And when we come here, these are leaves, artificial leaves, so they're just for decoration. And when we come here, these are my best DIYs. Like I cannot, you guys, I cannot. These are sisal ropes. I just bought them. Then these are liquor bottles. This is a wine bottle, and I think this was a gin bottle. So I just rolled the sisal rope all over it, and then you can never have one plain design. So I decided to leave a space here. I will show you guys how I made everything. And this is my favorite candle. It's a scented candle, so every time I'm feeling low, because we all have our moments, so every time I feel low, I just light it up. Okay, these two are storage boxes. Like, I cannot fathom how I came up with them. I will be doing a DIY again. This is a box, and this is a sisal rope. I just rolled around it. It was tricky doing it. A friend helped me doing it, because that is the day I cut my hand. And inside these storage boxes, this is where I put my perfumes, my facial whatever, my mafutas and everything. And here I just put my makeup and my glasses, you can see, and yeah, my nail polish, they're just here. And you see these things that are rolled on the bottle, and on this ladder, these are lights. I bought them at Kilimall, and when you come here, you just turn the lights on, and you can see it brings a different vibe to the room. Yeah, so that's just it. I bought it at Kilimall. This is 10 meters long. It was, I think, 1,300 and something. And this ladder, a friend helped me make it. From scratch. Everything here is from scratch. So when we come here, this is another bottle that I made. And here is just a palm plant, because here in school in Moranga, I looked for a plant like this. I did not find, so I had to improvise. I had to go and tuna and put it in water, and still surviving. Here is just my same old H&M bag with shoes in it. And when we come here, this is carpet I bought. I love it. I do not know why. So this is just my same old mirror. Yeah, so haven't seen my last video. This is just a ring from a net, a mosquito net. Then I just tied it and put it there and put a clock. It brings a sense of a design that I love. And when we come here, this is a pizza box. I have wanted a place where I can just show off my earrings, and this is a pizza box. I just painted it, and these things, I had them again. I sold them from home. They were not in use. Then I just put there my earrings. Then these are where I put my bags and my face mask. And when we come here, this is my hanger where I put my jackets, my bucket hats, and my cape. And underneath here, these are just my shoes, some of my shoes. And here is just a carpet and my socks, my house socks. Let us come here. This is a jewelry box. I just throw my jewelry there. And these are candle holders. My aunt gave them to me. I think they're, yeah, gifted me this. And yeah, when we come here, this is just my vision board. And yeah, there's nothing much about here. These are just my clothes, y'all. This chest of drawers was getting molds. I had to put a gazette inside here so that he could put my clothes in. This is another wall art. My last video I said I didn't know what to do with this, but these were on the wall. I removed them, I returned them to where they were supposed to be. Then I just put the artificial plants there. This is my ab workout routine, and this is a window. What my bed looks like, nothing fancy about it. There is another, let me climb on the bed. There is another wall art decor. It says everything has beauty but not everyone sees it, which is true. Here are my stars, and these hanging things here, I got them from my aunt. She gave them to me. And here, this is just my, my wall art. This is another mirror. So guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and let us meet on my next video, which will be just a vlog and the amount of money how much I do spend in a week on groceries. Yeah, so adios mi amores. Let us meet each other on my next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. So bye.